He did this to attract money to his house. Look what happened. Awesome. Many people do not believe in energies, but yes, energies exist. The person who does not believe in this has a serious problem. The plant we are going to talk about today is just what you need if you want to bring some positive energy and prosperity to your home. According to Feng Shui, anyone who has a thyme plant in their house will have many possibilities to attract money into their home. Thyme is one of the great plants of prosperity. It was already used in ancient times of the Greeks and Romans. The new stems that grow have the same texture and color as the leaves. However, these become brown after some time. As for the care, this plant has a very low maintenance. If you plant in a larger hole, you can grow to a good size. As with most floors of the house, the thyme also needs a lot of sunlight, so if you want it to grow well, you need to place it somewhere with plenty of sun. On the other hand, has a very low water requirement, so if you water continuously, you can start dying. The best time to water is when the soil in the pot is dry. This ancient Chinese philosophy recommends that the best place for this plant is on the right side of the main entrance of your home. It should also be facing north. In addition to attracting positive energy and prosperity to your home, it is believed that thyme possesses ethereal oils and increases mental and physical positivity. It also increases the psychic and physical abilities